Hey, good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you are around the world. Fired up and grateful for another day to share with you. On this channel, we're going to talk about mindset, personal development, and building a business online. If this is your first time, welcome. Well, I was posting content daily and hearing crickets for months. And then I found the Turnkey system that just asked me a few questions each morning and built my entire system daily around my answers. Let me tell you what actually happened. After 30 days of that, this thing is nothing else out there like this because it walks you through your entire day, right? The routine, step by step. So instead of staring at your screen, wondering what to do next, you just show up and answer the questions. And the system does the assembling, right? Everything's for you, meaning you can finally close your laptop and go live your life. The reason most network marketers post daily with zero engagement is that they have no system connected to the efforts, to the results. And that one missing piece, the silence finally broke because every action actually pointed somewhere. You don't need to be technical to know how to sell or carve out your hours. You don't have to have the system run in small blocks, and it does the heavy lifting for you. So even if you're on your busiest days of your business, it's still moving forward. If you want what I walked you just through resonates with you, check out the Turnkey system. The link's in my bio or in the description. It's 80 cents on every dollar comes back to you. And the done for you sales machine handles all the selling so you never have to. The link is below. And remember, if you purchase a product from me, a percentage of that product goes back to feed my starving children. A great organization I am so proud to be a part of. As always, do something good for somebody else in the space of knowing they can't pay you. Have an awesome day.